up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a black rice recipe today. I love finding new ingredients to work with. It's one of my favorite things about cooking, and this stuff caught my attention today when I was at the grocery store. It actually is a rice that goes back all the way to the Ming Dynasty in China. It was called the rice of emperors. It actually has 5 grams of fiber per serving, which is incredible compared to white long grain rice or any other kind of rice. It's amazing nutrients. We're gonna mix it up with some veggies and some pigeon peas. We're gonna make a delicious, nutritious recipe. So let's get right to work. All right, so let's go over our ingredients really quick. I have here 1 cup of rinse and wash pigeon peas. These are actually organic. You could use black beans or any type of beans for this. I just want to get some legumes in the recipe. I have a bag of black beans. This is actually 1 pound and it's equal to 2 1/4 cups. So it has 5 grams of fiber per serving, which I thought was amazing, and then 180 calories and 39 grams of carbs. Also 4 grams of protein per serving, which I thought was pretty cool. So black rice, the grains are actually black. It looks really cool. I just had to pick it up today. So I have here some minced kale, same thing as the, chickpeas. I just want to get more veggies in my diet, so I'm adding this as part of the recipe. I have a half of a red onion minced. I am using harissa seasoning. I have about 1 cup of white button mushrooms, about 1/2 cup of coriander, about 5 cloves of finely minced garlic. I am using avocado oil to saute with to cook our aromatics, and that's basically all of our ingredients. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to our stovetop and we're gonna start cooking the aromatics. All right, so in a pot we're gonna start out with about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. We're gonna take our garlic, medium-high heat, drop it in. Next, diced onion. Tap it in. I'm gonna mix that in. Like a minute or so till it becomes fragrant. Now to this, we're going to go ahead and add the mushrooms. Now we're going to go ahead and throw in our rice. And this rice has already been pre-washed. I like to saute my rice a little bit before adding the water, just because it brings out a little bit more flavor when you kind of roast it in the aromatics like this. And you start getting a really nice smell from the actual rice cooking, sauteing. Give it another stir. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the pigeon peas in. kale. Give it a nice stir again. And this already smells amazing. So now to this, we're gonna add 3.5 cups of water. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the heat up to medium high. To high. So 420 degrees or so, 425. To get it to a rapid boil. Then we're going to cover it and we're going to simmer it for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, so now that we have the rice at a rapid boil, we got these bubbles on top, we're going to add in about a half a tablespoon or so of our harissa seasoning. Alright, and then we're going to give it one final stir. Smells amazing. We're going to cover it, bring the heat down to medium low or simmer. It's about 195 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna let it go like that for about 25 minutes and then come back and check it again. Alright guys, so it's been about 25 minutes or so and this stuff is done. Smells so good, looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and serve it and let you guys know how it came out. Actually, I'm not gonna serve it yet. I'm gonna add the coriander fresh and mix it in. This is gonna add some really nice flavor to that. Ooh, now it really smells even better. Add a little bit more. And we are ready to serve. I'm actually going to put the lid on it, shut it off, let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to serve. Alright guys, so here is the final verdict. This stuff looks beautiful. It smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh sliced tomatoes from my garden to it, just for color and to add some extra freshness in there. I'm gonna also add a little bit of cilantro over the top, a little olive oil to the tomato, just to get some of my requirements of healthy fats, and a little bit of sea salt sprinkled. And basically that's it. There it is. It looks beautiful, as you guys can see. Totally happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Alright guys, so it's time to give this a try, let you know how it came out. Wow. Oh my god. I'll be honest with you guys, I like this rice a million times better than white rice. brown rice or probably any other rice that I've had. It's really, really tasty. It's got like a nutty flavor. The garlic is coming through really nice. And the onion, the pigeon peas adds a nice dimension of flavor and also like a heartiness to it. With the tomato and the cilantro. Wow. The freshness of tomato mixed in with that rice. The mushrooms add a nice meaty texture to it. This is like the perfect vegan meal that you can eat anytime.